taking time to give thanks, making time to be giving. I'm going to stop and think twice about the way that I'm living. Did I say a kind word? Am I proud of my actions? You know, a job well done gives me satisfaction. Can I earn your trust, your love and affection? Just one step at a time in the right direction. I'm gonna aim for the sky, keep my feet on the ground. Raise my voice to the heavens, make a joyful sound. Can I sing for my supper and play for my rent? I know it sounds funny, but it's how my time's spent. Greet every day with full purpose, with passion and pride. I'm gonna follow my heart and have nothing to hide. In a moment of insight, I know why I'm here. You know the time to just stop and see it all real clear. I've got to set an example, make some mischief and fun. Try to keep my hands steady when I play a bass run, like this one here. Gotta work hard every day, give it my best. Grab hold of fear and negativity and lay it to rest. I know my time here is important, can I do the right thing? Practice patience and forgiveness, feel the joy that they bring. Can I lay down tonight without feeling regret? I know the love that I give becomes the love that I get. Well, do you hear what I'm saying, making sense to you? Well, if you feel it in your heart, then you want to sing too. Sound preachy, make it feel all wrong. I'm just trying to sing the lyrics to a feel-good song. It's kinda hard to explain, it's just a feeling I get. Jump on into the music, get your both feet wet. Every piece of the puzzle snaps tight in the groove. Close your eyes, breathe deep, and let your feet just move. You might feel a little better for speaking your mind. Good vibes and circulation, see who they find.